everyone, welcome to another After School Tech Tips with the Tips team. My name is Bernice Puy, and I'm going to be introducing you to how to make a QR code in Google Chrome. Google Chrome has a natural built-in QR code creator that you can use to access any site or Google Doc or forum or anything like that. So for example, here you can see we have our Technology Integration and Planning Supports Tips Team website, and I'm going to show you how to make the QR code. So if we go up here to the top where the URL is, this is what we call an Omnibox. If I click into this, you will see two additional icons show up. This icon here with the square, the four squares and the four lines around it, that is actually going to create a QR code for this page. If I click on that, you will see a QR code and I can just press download. As soon as I download it, I'm going to be able to have now my tips QR code in as a PNG, so a picture image, and you can now use that image anywhere else in a document or printout or anything like that. The same thing happens when you take a look at any Google document or form or spreadsheet. Again, you can click into this. Now, when you are doing a Google form, it will be important for you to make sure that you are not using the QR code for the editing portion of it, but rather you are going to go to send, find that link that you want. So go into that link, and when you go into that link, you're going to use that to then create a QR code like that. So just making sure that you're in the actual form with that the students or other staff are actually going to access as opposed to the one that you are editing. And that's it. If you have any other questions, feel free to check out tips.epsb.ca. Thanks so much.